Look here guys, the market is moving upward, the bullish candles, and see, this is the beauty of this strategy. Very powerful strategy. You just need to follow the strategy guide and open your trades. Very easy to understand. I'm starting with just the $15. Okay boys, you can grow any little account with this strategy. Yes, need to follow the instruction, need to follow the guideline. Yes, you are ready to make money. Any equity can trade using this strategy. Look here, the trades went in profit. $1.50, $2, and here is $3, and the account went to $18. So this is the beauty of this strategy. The market was upside, no one now. Look here, if you see the price action, the strategy was showing the market will go up, but with this strategy we can milk the market very easily. Let's find, look here, here is another signal, again the sell signal. Look here, the trades open front of you. The best strategy ever. Trades running in profit. If you have this strategy, you can grow easily any account. So now we are here near to $1 closed. The profit, as you guys can see here, you can grow any account with this strategy. Any size of your account you can grow easily. I took 3 trades and all in profit. I will close these trades on $1 profit. I don't want to go long because the video length will be high. So till the market go back and give us profit, let's find another signal. V51 index. Look here, it's showing the market is moving upward. And V50 index, V100 index, here you guys can see V51 index, the trade is in profit. So this is the beauty of this strategy. And holding these trades, this is on volatility 10 index. We started with, look here, I can show you the history. All trade is in profit. So this is actually the beauty of this strategy. V51 index paid us. This is V100 index. This is V100 index. Finding signals. If there's any signal we found, gonna trade. Okay, I will stop the video a bit, and once this trade went positive, I will come back. See here, I found another signal. Let me open the trade. You guys will see the profit here. This strategy can easily help you to achieve profit. Look here, two multiple trades in profit. The V10 we are holding. Okay, I will be back. Let me pause the video. So here we go, guys. After closing the trades, now you guys can see our account is on 24.27. So this is the beauty of this strategy. When you open trade using the parameters we told you, definitely you're gonna make profit. Simple, profitable, powerful strategy to grow any type of account, any low balance account easily. So if you want to get this strategy, check the description, chat with us. You can grow easily any account, any type of little account you can grow easily, guys. Very easy to grow. Look here, V75 1S index. It took the trade. And it went in profit. This is the beauty of this strategy. Open the trade, it will boom, profit. Okay, my boys, thanks for watching. Going to close the video. For more details, you may chat with us. $25 approximately we made profit. We can easily grow this account to $100 in a day using this powerful secret hidden strategy. Any type of low account can easily grow with this strategy. Look here, another trade. Boom, busted trade. Two trades front of you boys. I think let's take one more trade. Oh yeah, we took high risk on $25 account. Check out the power of this strategy. We're gonna close all trades in profit. You can easily grow any account using this powerful strategy. Very simple, very powerful, very easy to use, very easy to understand. Just a few points. Write down, practice on demo, go on live, make cash, daily basis, awesome profit. The video is gone lengthy. I don't want to go more. Let's close these trades and $29.73. Thanks for watching, guys. Check the description, chat with us. Bye bye.